What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. In this video, we're gonna be installing all of this Premier Stone by Adorn. We've also got this UFP Edge VG Hemlock ceiling going in and a bunch of really other cool details. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned. Thanks. But I already got some on. Thanks though.
An employer like, oh, why don't you just start working, because like we need workers and we'll just deal with this stuff as like the days go by.
Yeah, I mean, well, mostly because the things sound made up.
Got recognized.
Oh, you did?
At the flower show.
Oh, yeah? By who?
Not some guy.
Oh, Steve's friend, right? Oh, that's right. All right, so right now, just hooking up the, man, there's really not much access here. We're hooking up the riser lights, so they connect into each other, but when it's too far of a gap between runs, you just need to cut off the female end, and then we can splice it into our landscape wire, which is running to all the lights, and it'll also run into the garden bed. So everything will be on the same system. What is it? What? Don't put that in there.
What?
I said don't put that in there, it's weird.
You're hired. You're fired. Don't talk to me about the SEC. We'll get him on the phone. I'm gonna go back in that office and rip your heart out like I'm Kano from Mortal Kombat. Hold on. Yeah, Ma, I'm gluten-free now. I'm the only one who stuck his neck out for BP. I think all those fish in the ocean deserve to die.
It's too extreme for me.
All right. Trim them out?
Yeah, with like maybe 3.5.
Like a
4.
Yeah, we could do that.
I'm not working on this yet, but
I know.
we need another Khaya board for the perimeter.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh man, really?
Yeah. I f***ed up.
It's okay. I ordered 10 of them. I guess we chewed
No, the
through 'em.
5.5s.
Yeah, I ordered 10 of those.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
There's no way.
I ordered 10 of them like 2 days before we got 10 of these.
I needed 10. Oh.
We
There's
got
no
10.
way.
Yeah.
Only like I think 2 came out.
Yeah. For the fascia, yeah, or soffit. But I mean, we used it here.
Ah, okay.
We used it a couple other places.
I got 1 over there. I need 2 for this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't even put it on your mind at all. But
what?
this door.
Oh yeah, I don't want to do it.
Yeah, I'll do it.
All right.
You know what we're doing?
The door?
Yeah.
No.
What do you think?
Storm doors on the other side.
Nah.
Decorators.
Custom.
Word?
Yeah.
Decorators?
Yeah.
How?
I'm working through some ideas. I think we'll do a double-sided 3.5 back to back.
Uh-huh.
And then I'm thinking possibly a little bit of aluminum angle to give it a little stiffness.
Uh-huh.
What do you think?
Not happy about it.
Oh, no? No, it'll be dope. What do you think?
I'm not thrilled about it.
Why not?
I'm just not.
Well, it's gonna be sick.
Okay.
We got the Adorn Stone Premier Series going up on our exterior wall here, and we've got this really cool corner detail. We've weaved the corners. This doesn't need any corner units. You're using the flats for all of your corners, and the way it's designed, because it has this nice texture to it, it really hides these corners super well. And again, this is the Premier Series from Adorn Stone. This color is called Acadia, comes in 3 colors. Check it out. Adornstone.com, get your samples, put it up on a project, tag us. We want to see it. And in a little bit, we're gonna be doing the same thing on the inside of this fireplace with, of course, some special details. So we'll talk more about some of the features of it when we get to that. Hey, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. I wanted the ceiling done.
All right, you got it. We'll be sure to get it done. Guy never wants to be here, but we always gotta get
tomorrow.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are flying today. We had our UFP Edge delivered. We have our lights and our speakers all finalized in the ceiling, so that means we can start installing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to label where all your lights and your speakers are. So what I did is I put a mark where the rafter is, and an L for light, and an S for speaker, and a measurement shooting up to where they're located. So after the ceiling's done, we can just cut them in afterwards. What you do is you want to establish a straight line. So I snap a line, we get our first row up, and then that allows us to just fly now. What's great about UFP Edge is Hemlock, it's end match. So you don't need to finish on a rafter. You can finish in the middle. And then with this piece that was cut, I can use this tiny little scrap and use it as a starter. No waste. All right, stay tuned because we'll have this done in no time.
Nick, could this guy work at the animal shelter?
For a little bit. You tell me the one guy out. You got the ceiling up pretty good here. I like it. I like it. I like it. I think what should I get started on here, huh? What do you think there, Bucko?
Huh?
Huh?
How about we figure out this detail?
Yeah, on the wall?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. I just want to make sure that we're on the same page.
There's a lot of work that can be done, but we're waiting on one thing.
Me.
Yep.
Alright, cool.
Easy there.
Okay.
And then that allows me to do siding.
Yeah. So with that last piece up, a little bit more.
I want you to figure out that information so I can get that piece in.
I will get that figured out right now for you for that heater location.
Why can't I
plug screws?
Why can't I install
right, yeah, the plug screws there. I'm so sorry. That's why I think the silly putty straps fall.
We were like, when we were doing the ceiling, we were like, gonna, put this piece on. I was gonna put this piece on, but I only found like 2 plug screws. I'm like, we don't have any. I'm not like searching.
God, I'm sorry. going on?
It's Q&A Friday. And I'm doing it in the background. Come on!
My finger's starting to hurt. What?
Are you gonna do it for Q&A Friday? Have Steve film it and then get the video.
Say hey everybody, Q&A Friday. What's going on everybody? Q&A Friday. Let's go. I guess we're all kind of spinning the same speed. Yeah, but you cut it on a rip. You ripped it, right?
Yeah, because of this final quarter into his pipe, cleaning, putting in some this section.
Take this down. Should be able to pry it down just a tiny bit then.
So maybe I lose this one, put her up a little bit.
Nah, because then we're gonna have a gap here. I think from here, like you really can't see it. You can't see it at all from the ground.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I would send that.
Well, you can see the wire. You need the little skinny single wire on this side of the box. Down a little further than the hole.
That white?
The little white one that goes like that.
Oh, yeah, I got that. I got it. Hey, winning again.
Ah, good job.
All right, we got almost all of our UFP edge sealing up, and what we're using here is thermally modified VG Hemlock. VG stands for vertical grain, so this is gonna be comparable to a vertical grain cedar. Clear, almost 0 knots. It looks freaking beautiful. It's gonna be kind of a little bit cheaper typically than a vertical grain cedar depending on where you are, but it gives you this amazing look. It's got the natural differentiation in each piece, so it just looks, incredible. It looks so good. So I'm super excited about that. Ant already told you about the end matching on it, so makes install really easy. We have almost 0 waste on this. We've got a couple pieces about this big and that's it. So really important when you're dealing with a more expensive material. But now we're on to cutting out for our lights. So we get a lot of times, people will see on our time-lapse videos, the electrical boxes for the recessed lights. And they'll see us just run the ceiling straight over it and they say, oh, you're covering a junction box. It's not a junction box, it's for a LED ceiling light. And we run this all the way up. We make marks right here on our beam. You can see L50, that's a light, is 50 inches up. We've got a speaker that's 70 inches up in this bay. And we mark all that out so we can go back afterwards. And then we can pick the middle of a seam and it's really nice and clean. We have a little bit of flexibility on those type of lights because it's kind of a plug and play after that box. So we're getting all those drilled out. We're gonna have the speakers up in there, and Jose is working on finishing up this last piece of trim up to the ceiling. So it's really starting to come together. This VG Hemlock is just incredible. It looks so freaking good. And that's also gonna go on this wall, so stay tuned for that. How's it fit? How's it fit?
Good.
Ah, cool. I heard you make noise like, oh yeah. Well, yeah. Cool. Okay. Never mind. God forbid you try to give somebody a compliment around here.
What?
What?
Huh?
Oh, great. Now he's really gonna make fun of me. I can't reach this. And I need your help.
I'm busy.
Ah, damn it.
Oh, you doing the ladder?
I need my little water. Easy peasy. What we're gonna do is build a custom door that's gonna be a little bit taller because 80-inch door will leave us right here. And yeah, that might look all right, but then we're gonna have this big, like, closed header up there. It's also too small of a spot to do an additional screen. So we're gonna custom make Deckorators door here to give us that extra height. It's just gonna be, I mean, I think the Deckorators door is just gonna look amazing. Plus that extra height is gonna look mint. We've got ceiling almost finished up. We got the lights in. We're cutting in for our speakers right now. But that's gonna be it for this video. In the next one, we're gonna be doing this really, really sick fireplace feature wall. Some really cool details, obviously, as usual. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this has been Premier Outdoor Living.